Big rain.
Ayun na nga. Hala.
We're back in Boracay. I'm with Rod. Aaron. Dito gusto ni Rod kumain sa Los Indios Bravos. In fairness ng platter, buo to, ang laki. Tapos healthy kasi daming gulay. Yun yung hinahanap ko, gulay. Ayan, kung i-mix na, we're at 2 seasons naman na ngayon. Ang ginawa, kumain with Rod and si Aaron. Yan ang trabaho namin. Wow. Ayan, so you're gonna mix it with the eggs. Ay, mix mo na. Nasunog na yung baba. Yung ilalim. O, diba? Ito, oyster sisig. But the best sisig is manam. Masarap, diba? Mana. Crunchy. Ayan, thank you po, friends. After eating, ayan. Tingnan natin kung lakarin natin gano'ng kalayo.
Bye, guys.
It's currently 250, 245. Feeling ko less than 1 kilometer siya. 1.2 lang pala eh. Oh, 1.2 guys, 20 minutes lang pala, kaya. Oh, let's go, Rod, let's go. Ayun na, uminit na. Okay, ayaw na nila maglakad, so backtrack. Sabi ni Rod, ayaw niya maglakad. Okay, mukhang kaya naman pala. So, mas hindi mainit dito sa daan, sa road side. At saka, Rod, ang goal mo is to get the Coco Mama. Pag hindi ka maglakad, walang Coco Mama. Let's try. Thank you. So guys, we're celebrating Tongfu's birthday here sa Subo, Boracay. So this is the menu. Oh, ayan na, may birthday. Hindi na natapos yung celebration namin, guys. So kung may friend kayong Scorpio, ganyan po yan. Ayan, guys. Pakita ko yung menu nyo sa inyo. May mga plant-based na, oh. Crispy canton.
Let's get that.
Tortang talong.
That's malunggay pesto.
Ay, naka-divide by Visayas. Wow. Galing. May beef rendang pa nga sila, oh. Turon stout split. Tiramisu, oh, di ba? Binigyan ko si Tongfu ng tiramisu, hindi niya inubos. Sarap. Bagoong rice to, guys. So, looks so good. Ayun yung tortang talong, guys. Parang ang sarap. Wow! Salad. And then ito yung tomahawk. Yes!
Thank you so much for celebrating your birthday here at Sumo.
Happy birthday! Thank you!
Sa'yo daw yan.
Ay, sige po, thank you. Good morning, guys. We're moving hotels. Pero masaya ako dito sa hotel na to. Maganda. I think hi po, Kuya Richie. Salamat po. Tongfu, happy birthday. Thank you for this. Siya lang, guys, yung ano.
Siya lang po ang
Diamond.
soon to be Polaris.
Lahat kami dito tatlo saling kit-kit.
Thank you, Tom, for happy birthday.
Dapat may hashtag, Rod. Ano yung hashtag?
HBDTN.
HBTN. Ano HBTN?
Hindi. Hashtag TYTF.
Ito yung main lobby natin. Fourth floor.
sumbat as friends. Thank you, Tongfu. Ay! Wow! Thank you. Thank you. Yay. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday. Ay! 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 Matuwa siya. Kinilig siya. Ay, wow, laki. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I love it. Ang ganda. Yung beach daw nandyan sa kabila. Oh my gosh. So guys, let's go to Shangri-La's room. I'll give you the full room tour. And alam mo, one of the best resorts na talaga dito. I think people will say that this is the best resort that you can get na talaga in Boracay. So, let's do the room tour. Oh my gosh, may ibon. Ayan o. So, pagpasok mo sa villa, let's give you a room tour here. This will be your area. So, syempre magkakaibigan kami dito. Yung living area, pinapalit namin yung bed. Yung chairs to bed. So, parang inusog nila, then you have your bed. So, kung family kayo guys, pwede, walang problem if you all wanna stay together as well. So, when you enter, you have your Essence of Shangri-La here. And then, dito will be your coffee area, water area, and very important sa amin, maraming water. So, yes, refillable to. So, di ba, they do their own water refills. Meron kang water heater, and Nespresso yung coffee machine nila dito. And it's the ganitong coffee machine, yung parang very corporate and very industrial. And then here, you have your different mugs, cups mo, glasses, and then nandito yung ref. So, yung dito mga juices, it's all provided, even the one on top. Ang hindi kasama will be the one sa below. So, yun lang. Sa mga ito, libre daw siya. So, walang bayad yan. And then, you know naman mga bayad kung nakikita mo dito, di ba? Magkano coconut water, beer, ganyan. Kasi may mga complimentary siya dyan, no? O, di ba? So, complimentary. Ang cute. Thank you so much. And then, since we're celebrating Tongfu's birthday, guys, yung ang cute ng pinagawa nila. Welcome to Shangri-La Boracay. Then, may biko cake rin si Tongfu. And then, nandito rin yung letter. It's handwritten, printed. Cute. Ang ganda. So, later, si Tongfu magbubukas niyan. Siyempre, ayaw nating buksan, hindi yung atin. And then, nandyan yung dalawang beds. Yung mga, diba, dalawang single. Extra yan. Pwede nyo ipa-add yan if kasama yung family nyo. You have your TV. And then, dito yung workstation mo, which you have a speaker, tas may saksakan, plugs, everything is also included there. And then, dito, diretso to outside your own pool area. You have your parang day bed, you have mga gazebo, then you also have your dining area, and then may shower rin siya doon, para di ba malinis ka lagi. Now, if we're gonna go in, kailangan nakasarado yung door. Kasi guys, so dito, baka may wildlife. So, always make sure to keep your doors closed. Always. And then here will be your bedroom na. So, sa bedroom mo, ang cute ng ginawa nila kasi birthday nga ni Tongfu. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung bedroom. It's a California King bed. Ang laki. As in, ang laki niyan. And then, nandyan pa, oh. Happy birthday! And then, you have your pen and papers here. And then, yes, may mga plugs on both sides of the bed. Walang problema po yan. You have your own sofa here. Lamp mo. Then, on the other side, meron ka rin. At ang ganda kasi ang dami. 1, 2, 3 plugs. Diba? Lahat. And then, sa likod naman nito, nandito yung parang vanity area mo. So, you have your vanity area, may small chair, while this one here is your closet. So guys, yung closet mo, you have your robes, you have your iron, and then nandiyan yung mga slippers mo, and you have your bags, and then you have your laundry bag, and yung mga bags mo nandyan, and nandiyan yung mga drawers mo as well. Guys, pwede rin i-close tong area na to. O diba, ang cute. Bedroom nyo, ang view nyo lagi will always be your pool. O, diba? So dito, sa pool area mo, you have your own shower. Ang cute ng shower niya, no? And then, you have your own day, parang lounge area, private pool, then you have your parang table, chairs, gazebo, then 2 more chairs there. Itong tubig, kailangan natin close. And then, Yan yung parang chair mo doon. And then yun yung parang fish. Cute, oh. Ang cute, di ba? Parang dumudula-dula na yung fish. Ang cute, guys. Tapos here, diretso to sa palabas. Kasi pag palabas ka na, ayan na yung beach mo. Direct access pala siya to the beach. Kaya siya ganon. Yung villa, diretso mo beach na. So parang ang ganda ng location niya. And then the other villas here. Yung parang neighbor mo. Ay, fair. And guys, so yun yung mga different activities that you can do here. Also the other parang restaurant areas. So ito yung parang sunset, 'di ba? Sunset na mga cabana tables. Ito bonus point if you join Shangri-La Circle. So Tongfu is actually a Shangri-La Circle. As in love na love niya yan. Private dining experience, may mga ganun din. Iba talaga. You know that iba talaga si Shangri-La. Then may mga karaoke pa pala sila dito. Oh. Free beer. May massage, the cheese spa, you know. O, diba? Rain Ready Radiance. Spa rin. Guys, ito yung mga activities. Oh, may for kids rin. Shuttle service nila. And tsaka, Dia de los Muertos. Kasi nga, it's November. In fairness, nakabot kami ng breakfast. Happy birthday!
Kanina na kumanta.
Oo nga, alam ko nga, ramdam na ramdam ko gusto yung may kumanta kay Tongfu eh.
Mamayang gabi na lang.
Meron ka na mamaya, okay na yan. Guys, masarap yung food. And then, ito yung buffet area nila. Ano to, Tongfu?
Check out the gym.
Sige, i-tour mo. Salamat. Ay, wow! May sauna steam din pala. Salamat ako, Cyril.
Don't take the camera at night.
Ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang laki. Ang ganda. Guys, tingnan mo yung gym. Kompleto. Wow. Ang gandang elliptical rod, oh. Ang laki ng TV. Ano tawag? I-try mo nga. Paano nga? Paano?
Power it yourself.
Ha, ayoko. Ba't walang... Sige nga, i-try. Tapos... ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Ang ganda, pero. Guys, dapat naka-ano ka. Shoes sa gym. Butik talaga ang talagang tinitingnan niya. Ayan na yung pool area. Ito yung pool area, guys. Ang ganda. Guys, ito yung pool area nila here. Ang laki. Ito yung private beach nila dito, guys. So, ito yung sa kanila talaga. Like, private na. Kung hindi ka nakita dito, wala ka. Ito na yung pool mo pa area, guys. And then, pagpalakad na, papunta sa villa. Ayan, may wedding! Happy birthday again! Thank you. Saan dinner mo mamaya?
Sirena.
Bakit Sirena? Kasi?
Kaya isang sirena.
Correct. Because of Marina. Kung alam niyo ang Marina, please comment down below anong taon ipinalabas ang Marina.
Favorite ni Jax Reyes.
Ay, favorite ni Tongfu yan. Tapos, sabihin nyo rin, sino ang star? Sino love team ni Marina nun?
Not sure.
Ay, fail na si Tongfu. Ito na, bubuksan na ni Tongfu yung letter. Pakibahasa. Ay nako, maingay si Rod.
Rod Lascano, Jax Reyes, and Aaron Lim. It's for 4 of us. Mabuhay and a very warm welcome to Boracay. We'd like to thank you for your continued support at Shangri-La. On behalf of the entire team, we wish you a relaxing and enjoyable stay with us. Please do not hesitate to let us know if there's anything we may assist you with. Happy birthday!
Ay, how are you feeling?
Happy!
Ay. So what is your parang top 3 properties that you've stayed in?
Rasa Sayang.
Rasa
I was
Sayang
with
is
Jax,
where?
I was with you in Penang, Malaysia.
Malaysia, okay.
Then this one,
Okay.
Shangri-La Boracay. And Charlotte, London.
i-arrange mo sa pinaka-favorite mo siyang properties in the Philippines. Kasi lahat na-stayan mo na.
Yeah.
Oh, so ano yung sa Philippines?
Boracay,
First, okay.
Mactan, and then
Second, EDSA Siang. Happy birthday! Wish muna! Happy birthday! Patingin.
Oh my God!
Guys, apparently yung phone pala na yun. Ano yung phone na to? Villa pala na phone to, guys. Akala ko kasi, naiwan mo yung phone mo kanina.
Yeah, this is for the private butler, the villa butler.
Ataray naman.
The
O tapos,
Villa
anong meron?
To contact, kasi we have 24 hours.
Shala? So parang for whatever you might need.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, ang social nito, guys. Hindi
Personal-
ko kinakaya.
Personal villa host. That's what
Taray.
they call it.
Okay.
Kayak is chargeable, right? Complimentary.
Ayan, may yoga nga. At saka singalong.
Passenger princess.
Pag ikaw pinulikat sa gitna ng sea, ba?
Ayan na naman tayo dyan.
Oh my God!
Happy birthday!
It's a Biko cake!
Paano mo alam na Biko cake?
Ayun o, Biko!
Ay, happy birthday!
Oh my God!
Oo.
It's a Biko cake! Ang cute! Yes!
Wish muna.
Yay!
Oh, tapos cut the cake, tapos kailangan kunin mo yung first slice. Kasi nasa Philippines tayo, Rod Kerry ba?
Dapat half muna, tapos the next person
Hindi tayo
celebrating his
nasa
birthday.
Singapore.
Okay, then I'll slice the whole thing.
Kailangan, tsaka si Rod, pinahawak mo ng cake. Kailangan sa birthday ni Rod, pupunta.
Oo. Yes! Rod, pumunta ba siya sa birthday mo? Wait, Rod, pumunta ba siya sa birthday mo last year?
Okay.
Hello. Wala lang. Kasi wala siyang Zoom, di ba? So, kailangan ko i-manual Zoom. Hello, ganun.
Sobra.
Guys, ito merong... Ay, at saka may sunscreen for kids and sunscreen for adults. O, di ba? Magsa-sunscreen na rin ako. Yung dalawa kong kaibigan na parang bata, oh. Tapos, doon may kayak, guys, that we can borrow rin as well. So, may kayak siya. And then, ito yung beach nila. And sabi nga ni Aaron, ang sabi mo, mas maganda dito kasi mas
Malaki. Konti
Tsaka-
yung tao.
sa private.
Ang dami na sisiksikan sila doon.
Oh, guys, ha? Tactic na yan, ha? Alam nyo na.
Tsaka mas dito yung bigger. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka dito magkayak.
Ah, kasi nandito yung kayak.
Mas malaki kasi dito.
Wala kasing kayak doon, tama. Nag-sank si Ron. Walang niknik daw dito. Guys, ayan si Tongfu hanggang ngayon hindi pa tapos. Ginugulo si Kuya Juni.
Si Mayor.
So guys, ito yung pasimuno ni Aaron. So gusto niya nakaloob siya na sa cave kasi mukhang heart na, di ba? So talagang minake sure namin mukhang heart talaga na. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung talaga mukhang heart. So makita niyo si Aaron mag-heart dito. Pero in fairness, maganda tong angle, ah. So magkakayak na ako. So magkakayak na rin kami. Kasi in fairness, pag maganda yung sun kasi dito, in fairness kaya. Maganda yung register.
Pero hindi yan lulubog sa water.
Guys, this one's not included sa villa daw, yung crystal kayak. But etong paraw kasama. Yung kayak is also kasama daw. Yan, yung mga kayak kasama yan. If yung nasa villa ka daw, sabi nila. So this one, tomorrow na namin bubuk. Ganon. Ito yung beach nila, guys, here. And then nandyan si Rod. Maganda rin yung beach nila here. Ayan si Kuya. I love kayak. Hi, Rod. Ayan na, look guys. Ito na yung friends natin. Ayan, oh.
Nagano na ako.
Rod, ikaw na bahala. Ayoko.
Thank you, Kuya. Yan, ang yabang kasi ng mga commerce. Sa buhay na pala tayo.
Yes, a nice sunset. Naging passenger princess namin.
We're in enemy territory.
Ano no?
We're in enemy territory.
Oh, ano na? Ano na? Titanic! Guys, ito pala yun, no? Ayun yung jetty nila. And ito yung mga rooms nila. Ito, bago kami mag-dinner, guys. So, meron kang pool at night and this is the pool. So guys, ito yung private beach mo. Mas marami pang tao dito. Like what Aaron said. Di ba mas taong-tao? So mas maraming tao pag nasa private area ka compared to yung kaninang beach, di ba? Medyo walang tao pa doon.
Nasabayakan. Wala na, nag-set na.
Ano yung pro tip?
Sa shared beach. Actually, hindi siya shared.
Pero konti tao doon, no? Hindi siya
Kasi
parang
it's
shared
bigger,
eh.
It's bigger. Although dito may drinks. Doon wala.
So guys, nandito daw yung jet ski. Yung non-motorized dun sa kabila. So, yun. Ang ganda ng area natin. Ang music. Ayun na, birthday celebration na ni Tongpo. Salamat po. Hey, eto na. We're going to Serena. Ito na, Serena. Thank you po. So, ano yung pinabook mo, Tongfu?
Sa Cabana. Facing the beach, pero gabi, so we won't see anything.
So guys, pag nakita yung stories natin, isa na namang cake to, I'm sure. Ramdam ko na. Mamaya, wait lang. Hindi siya sure yun. Menu, salamat. Ay, wow. May Instagram pa lang sila dito. Yung camera. Ay, ito pa yung menu pala. Sorry.
What are we getting?
Uy, may nabigay sa amin ng sparkling wine because it's Tongfu's birthday. Cheers! Happy birthday, Tongfu! Oh my gosh! Ang ilan na natin to? Isang linggo na! Wow, thank you!
Oh, that's beautiful.
Sarap. Ice cream time! Oh my God! Okay, thank you. Ayan na.
So may blending. Thank you.
Thank you. Mag-wish ka na. Thank you ah. Ay, message. Message daw.
More success to all of us.
Ayan. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for all your celebration.
Yes.
Big rain.
Ayun na nga. Hala.
Sabi ko sa magka-jacket ako eh.
Nalipat na yung cake, guys. Pero hindi nagalaw yung slice ni Tongfu. Tongfu, di ba yung slice mo, oh? You have to continue it. Ang galing.
Para na
Isda. Good morning. Late talaga mag-breakfast. Kasi, wala. Mas masarap matulog pa minsan in life. At saka, di ba, alam niyo rin na lagi ako IF. So, pero, mas mabilis na to go to the breakfast area. Aaron, ano ulit ang Janine? Rat. Parang dito. Kasi boutique eh. Kasi di ba nadalaanan natin ito kahapon? Ano ulit ang Janine?
I don't feel safe.
Ang story kasi niyan, guys, na-lock ako sa labas ng room. So, kumakatok ako, pero kaya nila ako buksan. Kasi gabi na yun. Yun yung story nun. Yay, thank you, Marian. Oh my gosh, baka may kwek-kwek na. Oo. Ganun talaga. Sorry. Then you have your salad, you have Japanese. And then, ay, Palabok Station na to kapon. Iba yan, waffle yan. And then may taho. Ayun. Kamusta ang food?
I'm full.
Sis, ano pa ba ang tosino? Chicken. Pero hindi man sikat ang chicken tosino. Ha? Ay, kuha ng juice. Guys, there's juices also. So, breakfast. Guys, mag-tour kami dito kasi may kami yung property tour as requested. Ako ba? Ito ang request. Kasi ito yung mga sea view rooms daw, guys. Story.
This is just on maintenance work. Sa baba po, ang bedroom, sa taas po yung living room. Nakahiwalay po siya, and then the stairs though is outside. But this one, the occupancy service, dalawa lang talaga.
Pang-couple lang. Pero bawal daw for family, bawal daw yung kids rin, hindi pala pwede kasi pang honeymoon. So, tree house for your
This is actually
honeymoon.
the Rima. So we have three houses with us here.
Tatlong
Whenever there's a
tree
wedding, yan po yung normal pinipili ng mga sa wedding
pang
package.
wedding.
So maganda yung
May loft
one
villa.
bedroom na
Ito daw.
Nung bago makakalakad yung sa beach. So, just simple options for villas. Not just rooms. Villa. Nabuksan lang. Thank you. So, this is the bedroom. Yeah. This is a villa home. That's why it's here. Yeah, please let's open the balcony.
Naman ito. Ay, ang ganda dito. Oh my gosh.
Mas mataas yung ating. Mas mataas pa. Yes, higher to. Yes.
Guys, ang ganda nito. Grabe. Ano ang comment mo?
It's so nice. It's so calming and
Pero magkano kaya to, guess mo?
siguro mga 150.
Malaki siya. Kasi nasusunod siya. Fireworks sa bangka. Tapos,
Ito na. Labas na kami. So guys, perfect to sa mga honeymooners. So nagpa-property tour kami. Oof, ang ganda ng view. So,
Isa rin ba ng cheap?
for a spa here, you may use the pool. We also accept actually land in-house. Then they can use the pool. But only here. And there's also a villa with, of course, couples and single views. Ikot ko lang po yung bag.
Dami nila.
Ay, alam nila. They know.
Parang they don't know. They can smell it.
dapat yan ang pero para natin. Ang fog, nagpa-fog na naman yung camera ko.
Bye, vlog.
Guys, ayan na. Paalis na kami. We have to say goodbye. At back to reality, back to trabaho. Back to reality. Ang ganda ng beach ngayon, no? Walang tao.
Kapag weekday ka.
Weekday talaga. Walang tao, guys. Dito pumasok, guys.
Pero kayo nag-arrive dito.
Oo. So, para dito kami bago. Okay? Ay, ang ganda dito. Grabe. Ang ganda. See, bye-bye. We love you. Yan na yung hatid. They have their own port. And then, ang ganda dito. Look at this beautiful resort. Yan na.
Thank you.
We're in the boat. Ang cute ng kay Rod.